Hi, this is Hannah, one of the OTs from Best Start Clinic, and welcome back to my toilet training video series. So in our first video, we focused on how to know if our child is ready for toilet training. And in this second section, we're going to focus on how to know if we're ready for toilet training and ready to teach our child to toilet train. So I've decided to split up this next section into a few different little mini videos. And the first one we're going to look at how to know if we're ready is to see if it's good timing for us and our family for toilet training. Then the second video, I'm going to focus on specific equipment and different things we might need to set up. So first of all, is it good timing? So your child might toilet train really quickly in days. It might take weeks, it might take months, and it all depends on the nature of your child and their pace, their natural pace of toilet training. There's also different approaches and methods to toilet training. However, the main thing is to do it at a pace and a time that works for you and your child, and to stay relaxed about it as well. So it's important to do it when you can commit to do it. And it's good to pick a weekend in which there's nothing else on and that you can stay at home pretty much over that whole weekend. And the reason it's good to do this is so that you can help your child quickly go to the toilet in time as they're still learning, clean up any accidents, and so you can really dedicate the whole weekend to focusing on toilet training rather than getting distracted by other things as well. It's also important to think about, in general, is this good time for our family for toilet training? So if there's any changes or transitions happening, then it's often good to pause and wait to start the toilet training until after those changes occur. So some family changes might include things like moving house, having another baby, going on holidays, or other new things that are starting. So if these things are happening, then it's good to wait until after they occur before starting to toilet train. And it's important to note that overnight training in itself will take longer than daytime training. So generally, a child will master daytime training and staying dry during the day much before they'll master that at night time as well. And often it can take a few years, or it might take that few years for a child to remain dry during the night. So not to worry about it. Bedwetting can be really normal in school-aged children. And it's good to focus on them as two separate things, one at a time. So this series will focus mainly on that daytime toilet training, but just to give you that heads up when you are toilet training, just focus on the daytime first, the nighttime will come later. So I hope you found this video useful, and stay tuned for my next video on part 2 of how to know that we're ready for toilet training, is getting ourselves set up and prepared with the equipment and resources we need.